welcome back to my channel. I could not upload the videos for some time because I was busy with my studies and I had exam. But today I'm going to say the information about what is this peacock doing over here. It's not supposed to be in the city. There's a lot of cars and air pollution over here. It's not supposed to be here. So I'm going to take it to one place. So one suitable place for it and we'll meet over there. Okay? Then let me go and catch it. We'll meet over there. Okay, here I am, and I'm in a forest right now. There's a lot of trees, and it's a suitable place to give this fellow over here a little peacock. So, bye then. Okay, let's return to our topic. So, today I'm going to say the information about birds, and I'm also going to say about what is birds, the very important and interesting facts about them, and also about decreasing wildlife and many endangered species, and how can we protect these birds and other wildlife that are very precious to our nature. So what do you say? Let's start right now.
So now let's speak about birds. They're one of the most common animals with more than 100 billion wild birds worldwide. Many of us, including me, has birds as pets because they can be easily tamed. Now let's talk about the features of them. They are vertebrates or animals with backbones. They are warm-blooded. That means they can generate their own body heat, which is essential for the large amounts of energy they need to fly. Cold-blooded animals such as crocodile, crocs, lizards, etc., which has to lay in the sun so that they can get body heat to generate the energy from the food. Birds also have a really high body temperature compared to humans and other animals of 40 degrees Celsius to 44 degrees Celsius, and also they can control their body heat, enabling them to live on every places on earth. Unlike other mammals, most of the birds do not have bone marrow. Instead, they have a honeycomb-like structure that makes it very light, and only 5% of a bird's body weight is from its bones. Birds have many more distinguishable features other than other animals. Birds are the only animals that have feathers, like this macaque that we can see in our screen. They are made of many colors, and some feathers of the bird that live in water are waterproof because of a layer of oil coating it. Birds' feathers are made of keratin, the substance that is used in our nails and also in our hair. Bird feathers can be of many kinds, such as the swan, penguin, eagle, etc. Next thing is the bird's beak or bill, made up of keratin, the same substance used in the bird's the feathers. It is used to eat food, peck at intruders, cleaning its feathers, and so on. The shape of the bill of the bird reveals what it eats. Just like this crossbill, which uses its bill to prise open pine cones. The sword-billed hummingbird uses its bill to extract nectar from the flowers. One of the most important features of the birds is of its nest and eggs. Here we can see a little yellow bird making a nest out of small plant fibers and other things, weaving it together to lay its own eggs. It's very beautiful to see nature, especially when these birds lay eggs and when they hatch, by seeing small little babies and the mothers feeding them. Most of the birds make their own nest and lay their eggs in it, but some birds, just as the cuckoo shown over here, lay their eggs in other birds' nests and leave the hard work of feeding it and looking after it to their foster parents. Birds' eggs can be of different shapes, sizes, and colors. What do you say? We got to some specialities of some birds. Can you say which bird it is that has both specialties? The first one it has the largest egg. Second, it is the heaviest bird. Third, it is the tallest bird. And fourth, it is the bird we can run the most fastest. Can you guess which one it is? It is the ostrich. Ostriches can run at speeds of 55 kilometers per hour and have a height of 2.5 meters and a weight of 150 kg, and its eggs can handle the weight of 2 people standing on it. Actually, the tallest bird was the moa of 3.5 meters, but now it is extinct. Next is the direct opposite, the smallest bird ever, that is the bee hummingbird. Next is the albatross, the wandering albatross, which has a wingspan of 3.3 meters from tip to tip of its wings. The whistling swan has more than 25,000 feathers, while a ruby-throated hummingbird only had 940 feathers. Most of the bird species on the earth are songbirds, the birds which can sing songs. They have 2 sound boxes allowing to make sweet and complex songs. It is very melodious to hear the songs of some songbirds, like this bird. All birds have wings, but only some cannot fly, such as the ostrich. The ostrich uses its wings for balance while it runs at high speeds. Penguins do not use their wings for flight. Instead, they use their wings in a whole another way, to swim in water. The gentoo penguin is the fastest of all penguins. As we can see over here, many penguins are swimming in the water. Birds like this fight for many reasons, such as territory, food, etc. As we can see over here, 3 bites are fatigue. There is one category of birds called birds of prey or raptors. Raptors mean to seize or take by force. They include predators like eagle, owl, falcon, hawk, etc. And we can see this eagle lying on the ground over there. Scavengers such as the vultures are also raptors. They do not have feathers on their neck to prevent the blood sticking onto it. But the habitat of these iconic species are shrinking and shrinking, mainly due to human activities such as deforestation and burning up of the forests. They do not have any places to go other than forests and coming crashing into human habitat, and crashes between animals and humans are increasing day by day. Zoos and wildlife centers have taken a great part in conserving the rare and animals that are in the brink of extinction. But still, some animals, such as the dodo, have already become extinct due to human activities. There are also many endangered species. That means that their population is fastly declining. The rufous hornbill. It is very endangered species and lives in the tropical lowlands forests. Animals such as this macaque are also endangered due to habitat loss and also collection of wild animals for the pet trade. Populations of the long-tailed duck are also in decline because they often get caught in gill nets. National parks and wildlife centers are taking a big part to conserve this rare wildlife, but we can also take small steps to conserve the nature for ourselves, like planting new trees and do not cutting anyone's and do reforestation, and also by preventing domestic animals from straying in the roads and eating up small birds or animals that come in a path. And also there are many ways, and I am planning to wind up my video. Please never forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I will be coming up with a new video really soon. So thank you and bye.